When I started trading, I thought success came from overanalyzing charts. Years later, I realized it was the opposite. That's why I built this strategy. So, guys, try to keep it simple, don't overuse indicators, and avoid too much price action. This strategy is a proof that simple is better. Every time I open a trade, it's a win. And most of the time, I'm using 4 indicators at max. I don't use too much price action or technical and fundamental analysis. I have few rules to follow and I stick to that. Yeah, so if you want to learn my strategy, the first episode is free at learnthestrategy.com/free. Link in the description or in the bio.